Are you glued to learning new things every day? Welcome to Tell Me More, the channel in which you will find crazy facts about anything that you can imagine. Stay tuned. In this captivating video, we'll be exploring the 10 most challenging piano songs ever written. Get ready to be amazed as we delve into the technical intricacies, artistic complexities, and breathtaking performances that make these pieces truly extraordinary. From lightning-fast fingerwork to mind-boggling musical puzzles, these compositions will push pianists to their limits. So join us as we uncover the 10 hardest songs to play on the piano and witness the incredible brilliance of this timeless instrument. Now let's dive into it. 10. Franz Liszt's La Campanella is a really difficult piano arrangement of a violin concerto by Paganini. It's a test of a pianist's speed, finger control, and ability to jump around the keyboard. The song has lots of fast notes, complicated finger movements, and difficult jumps from one part of the piano to another. To play it well, a pianist needs to be really agile and in control of their playing. 9. Sergey Rachmaninoff's Piano Concerto No. 3 is famous for being really hard to play. It's challenging because it has fast and sweeping musical patterns called arpeggios, quick passages, and big chords that need wide hands. The fast parts of the song need careful finger coordination and the ability to play really fast and accurately. And the big chords require the pianist to have strong hands and be able to stretch their fingers really far apart. 8. Maurice Ravel's Gaspard de la Nuit is known as one of the toughest pieces for piano. It's really fast and has complicated rhythms and different melodies playing together. The pianist needs to have really quick fingers and be able to move their hands across the piano quickly and accurately. The song also has tricky rhythms that need to be played exactly right. To play Gaspard de la Nuit well, a pianist needs to be really skilled and precise. 7. Leopold Godowsky's studies on Chopin's Etudes are challenging compositions that build on the already difficult etudes by Chopin. They are hard because they have complicated hand movements, different rhythms, playing at the same time, and tricky fingerings. The pianist needs to have great coordination between their hands and be able to play different melodies in different parts of the piano. The studies also have challenging rhythms that need to be played with precision. To master Godowsky's compositions, a pianist needs to have a high level of technical skill and be able to interpret the music in a meaningful way. 6. Frédéric Chopin's Etudes Op 10 and Op 25 are known for being challenging pieces that showcase Chopin's technical brilliance. They require a lot of agility, precision, and finger dexterity. Some of the etudes have really fast runs of notes, and others have difficult finger movements. These pieces are seen as important for pianists to learn because they test their technical ability and show off Chopin's amazing musical talent. Before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. 5. Nikolai Kapustin's Variations Op 41 combines jazz harmonies with technical challenges. It's a piece that demands fast runs of notes, complex rhythms, and a sense of swing and improvisation. The tricky rhythms in the music make it even harder to play, as the pianist needs to play conflicting rhythms with both hands. To play Kapustin's variations well, a pianist needs to be really fast, accurate, and have a good understanding of jazz music. 4. Nikolai Rimsky-Korsakov's Flight of the Bumblebee is a well-known piece that was originally written for an orchestra, but was arranged for solo piano by Mely Balakirev. It's a very fast and intense piece that represents the flight of a bumblebee. The song requires the pianist to have quick fingers, good coordination, and a good sense of how to express the energy and intensity of the music. 3. Sergey Prokofiev's Piano Sonata No. 7 is a technically demanding and emotionally complex piece. It has dissonant chords, complicated rhythms, and a lot of energy. Playing this sonata well requires a pianist who is able to understand and convey the emotions in the music. 2. Igor Stravinsky's 3 Movements from Petrushka is a transcription of his ballet score that presents a thrilling challenge for pianists. It has different rhythms playing together, fast chord progressions, and complex musical textures. To play this piece, a pianist needs to have great technical skills and be able to bring out the drama and intensity of the music. 1. Ludwig van Beethoven's Piano Sonata No. 29 in B-flat major, Op. 106. Hammerklavier is a really big and difficult piece in the piano repertoire. It has fast scales, complicated textures, and deep emotions. Playing this sonata well requires a pianist to have exceptional technical skills, a good understanding of the music, and the ability to express the strong emotions that Beethoven put into the composition. That's all. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Have you ever tried playing them? Let us know your favorite fact in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give the video a thumbs up and turn on post notification so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.